Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today I'm creating Valentine's Day dramatic eye makeup in the hooded eyes with a bold hot pink lipstick. So I will show you step by steps easy to create without delay a time. Let's begin. I clean my face properly. Make sure clean your face properly before they start the makeup to get flawless result. So I'm going to start with my skin care. I have got dry skin, so very important to do skin care. First I'm applying Olay Complete Lightweight Normal to Oily Skin with SPF 15. And I need to apply extra for the dry skin, which is absorbed quickly in my skin. And I need to apply second time as well to keep my skin hydrating. Second, I'm applying e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Gel Moisturizing. This is the gel base. This is the amazing product. If you not tried this before, you must try this product. This is the amazing. Look at my skin, guys, looking hydrating. I'm going to leave my skin few minutes to let it absorb to the skin. Then I'm going to apply Clinique All About the Eye Serum to help reduce black circle eyes, help to reduce wrinkle, keeps eye hydrating, and same time give you cooling effects. If you got any burnness under the eyes, this is the product for you to use. Lip balm from YSL, Yes Saint Laurent Tint in Balm to keep lip plump, soft and smooth. This is also amazing product to use, guys. I'm not doing any PR. This is all my personal use products. So guys, whatever you got, you can use it. Finish my skin care, so I will leave my skin at least 3 to 4 minutes to absorb all products on my skin. Next, I'm applying Revlon Skin Light Face Glow Luminizer 300 to get glowing base before apply the foundation. Next, apply NYX Born to Glow Foundation Caramel Medium to Full Coverage. If you got dry skin, amazing product to use. If you got oily skin, please use matte foundation. And apply from my clean finger dot method. If you are apply like that, you can control. Apply less amount first, then you can build up. If you are looking full coverage, otherwise your foundation will be look thick and cakey. I'm using foundation brush to apply first. Then for blending, I'm using damp beauty sponge to get flawless result. Don't forget to apply leftover foundation in the neck, otherwise your face and neck skin will be look different. Concealer I'm using from Maybelline Fit Me 30 under eyes, forehead, chin and little bit around the mouth. For the highlights, cover the black circle eyes and uneven skin tone. Then I'm going to leave concealer for the few minutes to become tacky. If you blend out immediately, it's not giving you full coverage. Contour I'm using from NYX Wonder Stick Cream Contour. Then apply in the cheekbone, forehead and jawline. So first I'm blending contour using a small beauty sponge. You can use brush for blending. Next, blending concealer using small sponge, then blend out till the smooth, especially under eyes. After blend out, let the concealer dry few minutes before apply the loose translucent powder. Next, I'm doing eyebrow. First, comb eyebrow upward, giving you lifted effects. Using angle brush from DU Care 145 and pomade from Silk. Then I will create hair stroke and keep my eyebrow natural. Then apply clear eyebrow gel from Fit Color to place and fix the eyebrow and long lasting. White loose translucent powder from MUA. Then apply in the under eyes, prevent the crease, forehead, T-zone and around the nose, especially where normally start to sweat and for the long lasting makeup. Same concealer I'm using for the clean the eyebrow and apply in the eyelid as well. Same beauty sponge I'm going to use for the blending. After blending, let it dry the concealer. After dry the concealer, apply the loose translucent powder. Today I'm using e.l.f. Hello Glow setting powder under eyes, cheek and nose for the extra highlight, and any fall down eyeshadow later on, easy to clean. Next I'm doing eye makeup. Eyeshadow palette from Morphe 35 as Sweet Oasis. First color I'm using dark brown. It's called Sandy Sport. Using taper guidance and sharp finish makeup. Using angle brush, then apply in the outer corner of the eyes. Just create like a eye wing. Then create fake crease line because of the hooded eyes. Second color, I'm using light brown color, using big fluffy brush for blending. Then diffuse the two colors to make sure there's no harsh lines and blend out till the smooth, seamless effects. Third color, I'm taking jet black color, using small pencil brush, apply outer corner of the eyes to look more intense and eye wing effects. Then again, I'm taking same dark brown color, sandy spot, and apply in the outer corner of the eyes using a small brush and blend out properly. Next, I'm using dark pink color called Wunderlust. Hopefully, I'm pronouncing this correctly, guys. Then apply in the middle of the eyelid using flat brush for application. Next color, I'm taking light baby pink called Reveal in it. Then apply in the corner of the eyes. In between the color, I'm using clean small brush for the blending to make sure diffuse the colors and no harsh lines. Now take off the tape. Look at, guys, very sharp, dramatic Valentine's Day makeup. It's looking stunning. Next, clean the powder properly. Make sure you clean fallout eyeshadow under the eyes and around the face. Next, I'm using for the highlights Champagne Shimmer from the same eyeshadow palette, and it's called Just Us Two. Then apply in the eyebrow bone and corner of the eyes. Next, apply black eye pencil. Then again, I'm using light pink color and apply in the lower eyelashes and smoke out. Then apply mascara from MUA, I Define Lengthening Mascara. So guys, if you like to wear fake eyelashes, totally optional. Next, apply powder bronzer from YSL, Yes Saint Laurent, and apply in the cheek, forehead and jawline to get sun-kissed effects and lock down the cream contour. Today I'm using two types of liquid blush from Look Me blush collection and Kim Use. First, I'm going to apply light pink, then dark pink in the middle. And apply upward, then apply little bit powder blush from Revelation called Cheeky. Apply highlighter from Deluxe Diva Kiko Milano Baked Highlighter Champagne. Same highlighter I'm applying top of the nose for the shine, especially if you go night out. Finally, apply dark hot pink liquid lipstick from Lagamani. It's matte. This lipstick is amazing, long lasting. Your lipstick's not going anywhere if you like to keep till the next day. Easy to clean. I'm applying directly from applicator. You can use lip brush to apply. So guys, this is my final look. Valentine's very dramatic makeup look. I hope you guys enjoying watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment, shares and likes. I will bring more interesting video. Have a great Valentine's with loved one. So guys, see you soon. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.